Hello everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. In this video, I want to share with you a chicken salad with a new flavor. The meal is delicious and also helps lower your high blood pressure. Now let's start. First, I fill it for chicken legs. Please refer to the detailed ingredients for this meal on the top right of the screen or in the description of the video below. The chicken flesh will be used in the salad. I will use chicken bones to cook the chicken throat and to cook with rice later. The rice will be tasty and has chicken flavor. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like, a subscribe, and share this to your family and your friends. The first key ingredient to make a wonderful flavor for today's chicken salad is lemon leaves. I can just find frozen lemon leaves in UK. Though they are frozen ones, there is a wonderful fragrant smell when I chop them. The second key ingredient is lemongrass. Put them into a mortar with dry chilies, seasoning powder, and crush them as finely as possible. The marinating mixture looks like this. Put the chicken into the bowl. Add the marinating mixture. Mix them up. And mash out them. Add 2 teaspoons of onion. And a teaspoon of fish sauce. Mix them up. Now the chicken has the wonderful fragrance of lemon and lemongrass. Put this bowl into the fridge at least 20 minutes and I will prepare vegetables. Chop celery into angle slices with this thickness. In this meal, celery and parsley are 2 ingredients. Their benefits help lower high blood pressure. That surprised one of my friends after having the meal one day. Called the cucumber. Then chop it into angle slices. Cut tomatoes in halves. Remove the seeds. Cut it half into 4 pieces. Chop the sweet chilies that have the same thickness as the other ingredients. Cut up the stems of parsley, then cut them into 4 cm length. The first ingredient for salad dressing is lemongrass. Just use the white part. Cut it as thin as possible, and the garlic is also cut into thin slices. Put them into the mortar along with 3 dry chilies and crush them finely. Put the water into the wok. Add tamarind and cook over medium heat to take the tamarind seeds out. Add a tablespoon of sugar, vegetable seasoning powder. Put this into a bowl. Add the mixture of garlic and lemongrass. Leave the salad dressing to get cool. Put water into the steamer. Add the chicken bones. Leave the steamer on the high heat. Mix a little of turmeric and water to apply onto the chicken skins. This helps the chicken skins to have the golden color and also combines with lemongrass to support our digestive system. Roll up the chicken. Tie the roll with a cotton string. The flavor and aroma will be held in the chicken while they are steaming. Put the chicken rolls into the steamer over the high heat and steam them for 80 minutes. Depending on the thickness of the chicken, the time will be increased or decreased. After 80 minutes, they smell wonderful. Turn off the heat and leave the rolls in the steamer for 5 minutes. Take the lid off and let them cool. Skim up the layer of fat on the top of the broth. Just use clear broth to cook rice. Cut the chicken rolls into slices that have the same thickness as the other ingredients. How nice and delicious they look! I will mix the celery, cucumber, tomatoes, and chilies. Add half of the dressing. Mix them up. Add half of the chicken. Mix them up. Add the remainder of the dressing. Now, mix the parsley to them and mix them together slightly to avoid breaking them. You see, there is no liquid at the bottom of the bowl at all. Put them onto the plate. Add the remainder of the chicken on. Some slices of sweet chili. The chicken has a special flavor and aroma I cannot describe. The celery is tasty and crunchy. Please give it a go and you will like this meal for your health. Thank you for watching and please do not forget to give a rating and a subscribe. See you next time.